Hey guys, this is Epson WorkForce Pro WF-M4119. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. To connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, you need to go to use the side button, go to Wi-Fi network and select OK. It will give you option Wi-Fi recommended and Wi-Fi direct. So select Wi-Fi recommended, select OK. Then start setup, then you select OK. Then the first option is Wi-Fi setup wizard or push button setup wizard. So select Wi-Fi setup wizard, select OK. Now it's searching for available network. Here we go. So it picked up the network available. Scroll down to select the network that is available, or you select the network, select OK for the network. Now the next is you need to enter the password. You select OK. Then you type the password details. So I have the password for the Wi-Fi network we're going to use. And this is also case sensitive. So use up or down or side button for you to select the particular alphabet you want to select. So select. Once you select the alphabet, then you select OK. Then you go to the next one. Select OK. Select OK. Scroll down, select OK. Then if you want to change the number, then you scroll down, go to the side and select the number, select OK. Then it will bring out the number for you to select the number you want to select. Select OK. Then you go again, scroll down to select ABC, scroll down. If you want to use capital letter, then use up. You will see up arrow. Select up arrow, select on it, then it give you capital letter for you to select. If you want to lower it, select the up arrow again to lower it. Then you go up again to select the next number, next character. Then once you're done, go to the end, select OK, and scroll down to select start setup. Now it's connecting to wireless router. Here we go, setup complete. So you may need to do this twice. If from the screen you will see the Wi-Fi network is connected and it's highlighting blue. So Wi-Fi direct is not connected and this is the Wi-Fi network, is highlighting blue. Then you can go back to the home. If you want to print out, now it's asking us about update. I'm going to select dismiss, firewall update, dismiss. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct.
Yes!
Wi-Fi direct is without wireless network. We connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. But now I want to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct without network. For you to be able to use this printer, what you need to do is use the side button, go to Wi-Fi and select OK. Then you will see network connection setting. The first option is Wi-Fi recommended. The second one is Wi-Fi direct. So scroll down to Wi-Fi direct, select OK. Now the next is start setup, select OK. Now it's setting up. You see the printer model name, see description, method. You scroll down, it give you the Wi-Fi direct information, and also scroll down, device name, connection type. Okay, scroll down, select complete. Now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi direct. You will see, once it's connected, you will see the blue. It will highlight, Wi-Fi direct is highlighting blue. If we connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, it will highlight blue. So it's currently highlighted, Wi-Fi direct is highlighted in blue color. Then we go back to home page. So once you connected this printer to Wi-Fi direct, the next thing you need to do, you need to use the side button, go to settings, select OK. Then select general settings, select OK. Then you scroll down to network settings, select OK. You will see Wi-Fi setup, wired LAN setup, network status, select network status, select OK. Wired LAN Wi-Fi status, Wi-Fi direct status, or print status sheet. So select Wi-Fi direct status. Now select the following ICD using smart device. So it will show you the status and also the password. So the password is also available here, so you can clearly see the network name, which is Epson WF, is the network SSID name, and also the password. So to connect this with your mobile phone, what you need to do is then you need to go to your settings, go to connections, select Wi-Fi. Then it will start to look for available Wi-Fi network. Here we go. So it found direct Epson M119. Select on it. Now we need to enter the password. Then you look on the printer screen for the password. So we have the information here. If you lost this, then you can go back again to the settings, select OK. General settings, select OK. Go to network settings, select OK. Wi-Fi direct or network status, select OK. So select print status sheet, select OK. Select OK. So now this printer is going to print status sheet. Now this is the document you printed out. There we go. So this status sheet got the Wi-Fi direct password. Once you print, you can also cancel this. We already have the information here. The reason why I'm printing the status sheet is so we printed out the status sheet. So I'm going to cancel it. So we have printed out the status sheet. So the Wi-Fi direct SSID is here and the password. You can also see this from the printer. Sometimes it will go off, you will miss the information. So ideally it's for you to print out the Wi-Fi direct password status sheet. So once you printed out Wi-Fi direct status sheet, you're able to see the password. So I'm going to type the password now. Then select connect. Checking the quality of the internet. You will see internet may not be available. Select connect always. Connected without internet. So now this printer is connected with this phone without internet. If you want to print out documents from the phone, then you go to wherever you save your document, select my file, select the document you want to print out, then gently tap on it, select print, then scroll down from the list and look for Epson printer, then select print. There we go. Printing complete. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct and also print document from your mobile phone. If you want to connect it to your laptop, you need to go to your laptop, network management in your laptop, internet access. So select internet access, then you select the network, manage Wi-Fi connections, and you will see the direct. It will show you the printer information. Direct Epson WF-M4119 series. You select on it. Then it will ask you to connect automatically, or so the next thing you need to do is you need to select do not connect automatically, remove connect automatically, then select connect. It will ask you enter network security key. Then we'll put the password we printed out earlier. So I'm just gonna type the information. Then you select. You can also select I sign at the end for you to see the information if it is correct. Just double checking the information and now happy with it. So select next. So it's checking now the network information. Here we go. No internet secure. So now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi direct with the laptop and it's showing us here no internet secure. Now if you want to print out document from the laptop to this printer, then you need to go to wherever you save your document. So go to wherever you save your document. Then go to my documents or download. Double click the document you want to print out. So today is a good day. It's just a single page document. Now to print this document out, select printer icon on top, or you select Ctrl+P from the keyboard. You need to also select the correct printer, go from the settings, scroll down and look for this printer. This printer is Epson WorkForce. So scroll down and look for this from the list. If you cannot find it, then you can also select add a printer. It will take you to the settings. Then you need to select add a printer on top. So add a printer. It will start to look for available printer. Here we go, Epson WorkForce printer. WF-M4119. You need to select add it, add device. Now it's connecting. The printer is ready. So now this printer is ready. Then you go back to your document you want to print out, double click it. Now to print this document, you select Ctrl+P or select the printer icon on top. Then you scroll down and look for this printer from the list. Here we go, it's the first on the list. Select and select the print. Now this document is printing. very quick. Printing complete. So this is the document. Today is a good day. This is the document we printed from the laptop to this printer via Wi-Fi direct. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to your laptop with USB cable. This printer, you can connect it to your laptop with Wi-Fi direct, Wi-Fi network, and with USB cable. USB cable is not included in the packaging. So what I want to do now is to show you how to set this up to your laptop via USB cable. First of all, if you scroll to the side and go to Wi-Fi network, both Wi-Fi network and Wi-Fi direct are off. If any of them is connected, they will highlight dark blue. So both of them are gray in color. They are not connected. So we're going to connect this using USB cable. So the next thing you need to do is we need to go to the back of the printer. Take the USB cable, plug it on to the USB. You will see where it's written USB. So to plug the cable on, one end to the printer and the other end to the laptop. You will hear a noise to show you that it's recognized. Now the next we need to do is we need to go to epson.co.uk or epson.com. So go to Epson website in your country. So go to epson.co.uk. Select Epson. Then you need to select support. Then scroll down and type your printer name, WF-M4119DW. And this is the printer here. Then you select install driver, select download. Then the driver is downloaded. Then you need to select, it will show you done. Then double click it to open. Then select yes. Do you want to allow this app? Select yes. Then select OK. Select OK. Now agree to terms and condition. Select OK. Printer driver installation and port configuration were completed successful. Then you select OK. Then you go to the settings. Go to printers and scanner. Then you see the printer. Epson WorkForce series is available. Then you select on it. Showing us printer is idle. Print test page. Here we go. Now this printer is printing documents. You have correctly installed your Epson WF-M4119 series and you check port USB 028 raw data. So this is how to connect this printer with your laptop using USB cable, and this is the cable here connected together via USB cable. We printed our document and also printed out the information window printer test page to confirm that this printer is connected via USB cable. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.